Hey Pete.
Hey Jason, how you brewing?
Oh gosh, how am I brewing? I want to be brewing better than I'm brewing. That's where I want to be.
That's a goal, right? That should be everyone's goal.
It should be everyone's goal. You know what I've found? You know what I found, Pete? I found that we in the shop here are surrounded by ingredients, and sometimes customers' order goes sideways, and sometimes it's good. You know, we have to we take the grains back or whatever, and so we just brew those up.
Yeah.
And we've made some pretty decent beers. With
what was it? Shop floor IPA.
The shop floor IPA was good.
Sometimes they work out.
That's right. But what I want to do, I want to get better at brewing. So what I want to do this year is really find a recipe for a great IPA and just lock it in and do it, and then maybe
document it, repeat it,
do it again, until it gets really good. And I love this, and customers love it. When we did our, I think it's kind of like a go-to IPA for a lot of people who come to the store.
Evolution, lot number 3.
Evolution, lot number 3, Salisbury, Maryland.
Yeah, it is fantastic. Yep.
And not just me, but I was talking to a customer. He wants to do like a clone of that, and it's good, isn't it? Right?
It smells wonderful. Piney notes. Yeah, that's a great.
It's a real sort
It's a good target for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the aim, but there's no clone recipes for that online.
Really?
It's crazy.
It is.
There's clone recipes for everything.
Yeah. I wonder if sometimes they give a little away right on the. We'll have to dig a little deeper.
Well, they say Mosaic or Cascade.
Yeah.
Or whatever, but.
Yeah. No, they're not giving it away.
So that's what I want to do.
6.8. She packs a little punch, but.
So we need your help, dear viewers, dear friends of How Do You Brew. We need a clone recipe. Somebody has reverse engineered that beer and made a good one. I know of our customers, somebody has.
Yeah, lot number 3.
So we need it.
Or Evolution, folks. If you guys want to toss us an email at How Do You Brew?
Yeah. If you want to be the official brewery of How Do You Brew?
Yeah.
The hell with these guys.
Yeah. I mean, these guys.
So that's fun. We're going to do that.
What else is going on
What
in
else
How Do You
is
Brew?
going on? This in time for the holidays. Cheesemaking.
This is so cool.
It's funny. We have customers that call or contact us online and say, "Hey, you have any cheesemaking supplies?" And for the past year, 24 months, I've been really trying to sort of get the beer brewing and winemaking stuff locked down.
Right.
So I haven't paid much attention to adding to our product line that much. But this looked really cool, and I thought some customers might like to get into cheese making, particularly people who have called us and said, "Do you have any cheese making stuff?"
Yeah, we've had several people come in here looking for stuff. So what can you tell us about this? You just need the milk, right?
You just need milk. If you have 13 gallons of goat's milk lying around, make yourself some cheese. Man.
Yeah. And I think my sister was in. She was our first customer for cheese.
That's right. She is a sweet person and didn't even do it because she was put up to it. She did it all on her own.
Yeah, she makes her own yogurt. She has for years, so this should be cool. And it makes a lot, right? This makes...
It does.
Like 20 tons? Just one box?
That's one box. No, I think that the thing with cheese is, obviously most of it's milk from some mammal, be it cow, goat, platypus, or whatever. Yeah. And then the rest of it is just a little bit of chemicals that do things to the milk and everything. So that one box has a lot of different additives in there. I just want to read real quick. Let's see. 30-minute mozzarella. Here's what we're going to do. Add milk and citric acid solution to a pot and begin heating over a medium heat. Once the milk has reached 90 degrees, then you add the rennet, stir for 30 seconds. Thick cheese curd starts to form. Couldn't be easier. You're on your way to making cheese.
So exciting. I think something that this shop, the ethos here is, when you're in an apocalypse like we are right now, you need skills, right? You need these kinds of skills. I mean, I could live on beer and cheese. I kind of do anyway.
So you're already prepared for the apocalypse.
As long as you're not lactose intolerant. You could live on this. You could survive the apocalypse. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
you should be prepared.
Be prepared.
And we're here to help
That's right.
our community survive the apocalypse.
Yeah. Beer is healthier than water.
Of course it is. Yeah. Just ask the people who sailed on wooden ships.
That's right. That's, yeah. All right. So, all right. Really not much else to add. Oh, we're getting to the end of the month, which means we're going to be giving away our first free T-shirt to everybody who liked, who are hey,
Come on.
I thought
do the
I
model.
thought we were going to get a better looking model.
It's the French model didn't show up.
If you tagged us in a social media post, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever, you're in the running. You're gonna get your T-shirt, and then you could be out on the boardwalk in Rehoboth, and people would go, "Hey, how do you brew? What's up?"
What's up?
No,
How you doing?
I'm going to discourage. If I say that, I'm going to discourage people from getting the T-shirt.
Yeah.
They're going to silently say, "Look at that cool guy."
That cool guy or gal
Or gal.
is making some good cheese and beer. Probably cheese.
Okay, cheese and good beer.
That's right.
Some
Yeah.
some pushing that. All right, cool. All right, we got to find this. We got to find this IPA recipe.
Lot 3,
Help us
Evolution.
out. Cheers, Pete. Thanks.
Cheers. See ya.
How you doing, guys?
Hi.
How you doing?
Oh, good.
I don't know if that.
Look, I buy this leather from here, but